Hey everybody, this is Ashmit and welcome back to Life of Ashmit. Today I'm gonna teach you how to download an IDE, an integrated development environment. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, you need to open any browser of your choice. When it will open, you need to type any editor you want to download of your choice. In this video, we will be downloading Visual Studio Code. To do that, you will type Visual Studio Code download. After you have done that, press enter. Head to the first result and download for your selected OS: Windows, Linux, Mac. Mac OS will only support 10.1 version plus 1 version, so you need to keep that in mind while downloading this. Also, if you are downloading on a Mac, you need to keep in mind what sort of chip you have. If you have an Intel core, then you need to download it for the Intel chip. If you have the new M1 Max, then you need to download for the Apple Silicon chip. So you just click on this and then you go ahead and click on this download button. After you have downloaded this will you need to just save this. I will not be doing that as I have already downloaded and installed Visual Studio Code. After that, you just need to go ahead and go to your Finder. Click on the downloads, and you need to run this Visual Studio Code file. Now this will install Visual Studio Code on your PC, on your Mac. If you want to download it for the PC, or Windows, you need to find another tutorial. This is specifically for the Mac. Even if you don't want to find another tutorial, you just need to head to the Windows download page from here and just download the file and right click on it to open it. So this is Ashmit and this was a very short video. We'll catch you in the next one.